Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a parser, ElementTree for stdlib simplicity or lxml for XPath and speed. First, import the module and parse your source. @parse file. XML gives you a tree from string handles raw XML. Once done, call tree getRoot to access elements directly. Make sure to validate encoding and remove BOM if present, because wrong encoding breaks parsing. This gets you into the document model quickly, so you can immediately navigate nodes and attributes. Now you traverse. Use find, findAll, or iter to reach the elements you need. FindAll. / tag searches recursively. Iter tag streams large files. Access element. Text for content and element. Get attr for attributes. This separation keeps structure clear. If namespaces appear, either strip them or use the namespace tag form or lxml's endsmap to register prefixes. Once you isolate the nodes, transform or aggregate their values. This is where you craft the data shape you want to export. Finish by transforming parsed nodes into your target format. Iterate elements and append to dicts or lists, then JSON. Dump the result. For big XML, use iterparse to stream and clear processed elements to reduce memory. If speed matters, lxml, tree is faster and supports XPath expressions. Once done, write outputs and close files. If things go wrong, first inspect encoding and malformed tags. Often a stray character or wrong namespace causes silent parse failures, so validate the XML quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.